In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Airtable for task management. So let's just begin. First, you can see we have this new AI feature which I suggest to get started with, or you can use this templates as well. If you want to create a task management, you can see you can explore new tools. You can search for task management. So it is going to be taking you extra time. Instead, what I suggest is you simply head over to your this AI feature, and in here simply search for or type in here a prompt saying that I need a task management for my company, and you can choose your task management option from here. Let's just say project management. It is kind of same. Then we have our data. So this is the most important part, since you're going to be uploading your projects and tasks, which are of course needed to be managed. And then you can get started with this. Simply click on next, and within a few seconds, not even minutes, you will be able to see that the loading is going to be started, and it is going to be generating your project management or task management tool. So that's how you can use it for. See you guys in the next video.